The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. But with them, I'm telling you this, we're not going. Don't know, man. We out here without the fear. We're not going. Suck on the mother.
Them man are go to bed.
I don't know.
Them man are go.
Find me if you're bad. Find me, man, a bad bumbuckler, man. Man, not going.
Say killer them.
Bumbuckler.
All I killer them.
Nah, bumbuckler.
You see me?
Outside now.
Outside.
Bumbo.
Nah, go in.
You know, man, I can't tell man to go in. Go in and your mother. Go in and your mother. I mean, I don't need no bed.
You see me? We not go in. You see me? That's what I think said. We not go nowhere. Nowhere we not go. You see me?
Alright, viewers, subscribers, seriousskilla there. Big up and respect to each and every one, is it? So me get to understand these videos just a pop up from the other day, you know, with persons disrespecting the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness. You see me? I just want to point it out, say it no look good. You get what I say to you? I mean, some persons out there find it funny. I mean, I don't know if I fame some persons are look at what are popularity from it, but really and truly, it just not look right. You understand me? Yeah, I'm not trying to disrespect anyone either. You understand? I'm just saying this out of the realest way. I mean, just like how you know, persons disrespect persons. I mean, how would you feel if someone disrespects you who are doing these kind of videos disrespecting the Prime Minister of Jamaica? You know, I'm just saying. Yes, I mean, I said to you, so, you know, these things, you know, it not look good, it look disrespectful in our country. I agree, said there is freedom of speech, and them things, as I mean, I say, a person is free to say what they want to say, but me uncle just say that, you know, it looks disrespectful, and it just not look right, alright? Yeah, so big up and respect to each and everyone, and, you know, just try and do a little better for those who are doing things like these. Yes, I mean, I said to you, alright. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, Dancehall there, see me? Yeah, the first thing first, I gonna make you know. By the way, I have some more videos I gonna present to you. You see me? I say, but you know, I have a video that I'm going to bring to you right about now. You see me? And this video that I'm going to bring to you, it had been brought to my attention by my girlfriend, and this is about the Prime Minister of Canada. You get me? I said to you, yeah, the Prime Minister of Canada, who is Justin Trudeau. Yeah, you know, for some reason, what the man say just go viral. You get me? I said to you. Yeah, and all the man talk about his mask and you know, the steam from your breath, basically according to how I understand it. So I said to you, all right. So before me say anything else, I make you hear the video for yourself, and I make you see the video, and you can hear what I have to say for yourself. All right. So take a look, listen, and observe.
Country. My understanding of what Dr. Tam explained yesterday is that if people want to wear a mask, that is okay. It protects others more than it protects you, because it prevents you from breathing or speaking moistly on them. Oh, what a terrible image. But it actually is something that people can do in certain situations.
You see it? So basically, viewers and subscribers, what may I look at right this now is that, you know, yeah, what may I look at now, viewers and subscribers, is that, you see, my understanding with this speaking moistly thing is that he's trying to be, you know, how do I put it, polite, or he's trying not to sound too harsh about persons that might be speaking and the steam from them breath would catch into other person's face or body or so on. So me I said to you, yeah, so me look at his face, you know, and it just seems as if he's trying to, you know, make up what he's going to say next in his head before it comes out very quickly. Yes, I I say, and yes, if it just comes out moistly. That's how me look at it. Yeah, but you don't know. I mean, what he says is a good thing, and you know, big up and respect to Justin Trudeau. You see me? Now, this whole thing where it's speaking moistly, you know, it just go viral. You see me? people, or should I say persons, remix this whole thing where it said speaking moistly. You see me, are speaking moistly. Yeah, me like one of them, they actually sound good, you see me? But anyways, big up to Canada Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, and right now I'm gonna move on to another video. You see me, I say? Now, this video that I'm going to present to you right about now, viewers and subscribers, according to how I understand this video, is that this video shows of a female who would seem to be coming from work, trying to go home, and she had been stopped by members of Jamaica Police Force during the time of the all-island curfew. You get what me I said to you? Yeah, and she said some things in this video that gives me the understanding that, you know, basically the reason why this person is going home at the time when the curfew had started is because of, you know, the boss that she have. You see what I said to you? So basically, it seems as if this female want to leave her work but couldn't leave the work because she have to do a certain time because maybe, you know, the boss make she have to stay for a certain time. Maybe. You understand? Yeah, but before me say anything else more, you listen to what, you know, to what the female had said, and, you know, you can hear the police them in the background of the video talking, or police in the background of the video talking. You see what I say? Yeah, so take a look, listen, and observe.
What's her name is?
Sorry,
You can make a video while the police is warning you, and you can show your employer it's a serious business.
You understand? Say it's serious, so.
They say they're not going to believe. Tomorrow they only believe if you see. So you show them that I'm telling you, you're stopped by the police and you are interrogated. And you shouldn't be on the street at this time. And the employers know that because the government gives them clear instructions. Why you keep making that happening, my friend? Well, let me ask you.
Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, so I talk about, you know, yeah, it seems as if this person was coming from work and, you know, this person had been stopped by the police. You see me? Now, I really respect the police officers to be lenient and, you know, understanding. Yes, I said to you, but more have to point it out that some of these employers, you know, it's like they don't care how things go for their employees. You understand? I mean, listen now. If what this lady had said is true, you see me? And the reason why I say if what this lady had said is true is because you have good bosses out there, you know, you see me? I mean, now make the good bosses them get blamed for the bad bosses them, you know, you see me? I say, yeah, and really and truly, you know, you can't just jump to conclusion. So you see, if what this lady had said is true, then listen to what me I go say now. If there's an all-island curfew and you're supposed to hear about the all-island curfew unless you don't listen to radio or news or so forth. But however, if there's an all-island curfew and even if you don't hear what was going on, you see me, maybe the employee tell you, right? And if the employee tell you and you still ignore that, you see me, then the employee, you know, decides, say, yo, the employee is going to walk away from the job. You see me, I said to you, that not right. You see me? And if in the mind sharp you say the employee get fired because the employee leave the work trying to go home on time. You see me? So all them little things I need for look into. You know what I mean? Yeah, them little things I need for look into. And you know, a lot of times, you know, employers take abuse of employees out there. You see me? Yeah. Now, right about now, we're gonna move on to the next video, yeah, viewers and subscribers. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, you see, is going to show off two persons wearing this overall suit. You know, this overall suit will have the whole thing will cover your face and your whole body. Is basically to protect persons from disease and them things there. You see me? You often watch movie and see scientists in them type of suit yeah, when they do them experiment or so forth. You see me? But anyways, according to how I understand this video, it would seem as if these persons enter the building and doing somewhat of an investigation. You see me? Because it is said that someone had died. You see what I'm saying to you? And you know, there's a person in the background of the video that is basically saying that these persons are lying, and the person in the background of the video is saying that these persons are scaring persons that are in the building. You get me? Now, what the person in the background of the video had said sounds very interesting, and what the persons that are wearing the whole overall suit thing, what they had said sounds interesting also. And you know, it gives me the understanding that if this whole thing is not a misunderstanding, then basically maybe someone is lying. You understand? So I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? Now, take a look, listen, and observe.
So when were you told a fatality happened? Because the homeless man that we are told that just died, we've just seen the police take him away to the hospital. I'm filming this now. The police you're in your communal area, my building, and you're lying to us, spreading fear, telling us that this man died, and he's just been down there and saw that he is not dead. He has just been taken to the hospital by the police. He spoke to both the police and the homeless man. That man was a bit drunk. He asked him if he was okay, and he was fine. This was 5 to 10 minutes ago, and now you're coming up here spreading lies and fear and telling me this man is dead, and he is not dead. This man is not dead. Take them letters, take them somewhere else, because that man is not dead. I've been feeding that man.
Wait.
He's lying.
What we can do is stop putting it. Stop putting letters on because he's not dead.
Until you find out if this man's really dead and prove that, then you need to stop putting these letters on there.
Can I ask you to stop filming?
Can I ask your name?
I'm from One Housing.
You're from One Housing. Can I ask your name? When they put a letter under your door saying the man's dead, he's not dead, he's fine. The man is absolutely fine. The man's fine. He's putting letters under our door saying the man's dead. The man's not dead. He just saw him 5 minutes ago being taken by the police. Now these are coming here in their little suits telling us this man's dead, and this man is not dead. We have just seen the police take him to the hospital 5 minutes ago. You are liars. You are spreading fear for no reason. No one died in this building today. Nobody died.
Can you let us respond?
Yeah, I have let you respond, and you've stood there and lied. You have?
I said, can you stop filming?
Okay, no. You're in my building outside my door causing fear amongst my community.
Right.
Okay, go on. So show me who died.
Okay.
It's legal. I'm illegally allowed to.
Speak, please.
Go for it. Go on. I did.
No, you didn't. Can you stop filming as well?
No, go on.
Right, in that case, no. I thought
I can film. Go on. I'd like the answer.
Okay.
We
responded based on a report we had earlier.
What time did you get this report? Can I just ask?
About a couple of hours ago.
A couple of hours ago, but we've literally saw this man taken away 10 minutes ago, healthy.
That's fine. Now that you've told us that, we will go on.
Can I ask who gave you the report that this man was dead?
It's fed from One Housing.
From One Housing. One Housing told you that this man was dead, so you came round in your suits to spread fear amongst. Look at them, children in there, and you're spreading fear amongst all of us.
Alright, so there you have it, your viewers and subscribers. You see what I'm saying now? So listen, basically what we get to understand is that the person in the background of the video is saying that they're lying. You see me, are scaring persons in the building because, when we listen to the video, to me, it seems as if the persons that are there investigating, they are saying that they get the report hours ago that this person had died. But however, the person that is in the background of the video is saying that the person that they said that had died just left the building like minutes ago. That sounds a bit, a bit odd to me. You see what I say? So you get the report said the person dead hours ago, but this person said that then just see the person being escorted out of the building or taken away. You see what I say? Just minutes ago. That don't make no sense. So somebody get the story wrong. Now, I don't have any information as to where this had happened, but however, I know this video is out on social media and persons are being talking about it. You see me? And you can let me know what you think about this video that shows of persons saying that someone had died, but someone in the background of the video is saying that no one had died. You see me? And you can let me know what you think about the other videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers as well. Alright? Yeah, you don't know me Dancehall skill. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. Alright? Yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh no, big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.